Hello, welcome to the course Python Programming for Every Beginner. In this lecture, we will discuss about GUI programming in Python. As part of GUI programming in Python, let us see introduction. GUI programming in Python. Python consisting of huge number of graphical user interface frameworks, also called as toolkits, available for it, starting from tkinter, which is traditionally bundled with Python using the library tk, to a number of other cross-platform solutions, as well as bindings to platform-specific, which is also called as native technologies. Let us see one by one briefly. So there are many types of GUI frameworks available in Python. The first one is Cross-Browser Framework. The second one, Cross-Platform Frameworks. The third one, Platform-specific Frameworks. Finally, GUI Design Tools and IDEs. Let us see one by one briefly. First, coming to Cross-Browser Frameworks. So here, package-wise, the target and description about that package given here. First, abstract dashes, so which is suitable for all major web browsers. This is drag and drop web application builder with logic written in Python. Allows installation of any library with everything running in the backend. Hosting, authentication, and databases are all included. The next package is Anvil. All major web browsers supports, which is a full stack web applications using only Python and a free online drag and drop GUI builder with built-in, which is premium hosting for our applications. The next one, Atlas toolkit for Python, which is suitable for all major web browsers. It is world's lightest toolkit to quickly and easily add a GUI to our Python programs and bring them online. The next package is JustPy, which supports for all major web browsers. This is an object-oriented high-level Python web framework that requires no front-end programming. The next package is Mercury. This is also suitable for all major web browsers. Mercury converts Python code in Jupyter Notebook into web applications. The interactive widgets are added based on YAML header. Here, YAML is a recursive acronym that stands for YAML Ant Markup Language. The end user can tweak widgets values and execute notebook with new parameters. It allows to hide code, export executed notebook to PDF, schedule notebook, and authentication. The next one is Nice GUI package. Supports for all major web browsers. Nice GUI provides a unique combination of gentle learning curve and advanced customization capabilities, operating as a web server or electron like in a native window. It's also designed for hardware integration like USB cameras and GPIO pins, which stands for General Purpose Input Output, making it ideal for home automation and robotics. Next category, cross-platform frameworks. The major cross-platform technologies upon which Python frameworks are based include GTK, Qt, TK, and WX widgets. Although many other technologies provide actively maintained Python bindings. The complete detail about all the types of frameworks are available in the following link, wiki.python.org. In this you will get. Okay, let us see the packages related to cross-platform frameworks. The first one, AppJar, which supports for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. It is simple and intuitive wrapper for Tkinter. In active development, designed for educational purposes, heavily documented and future rich. The next one is AVC package, stands for Application View Controller, which supports for Linux and many platforms. It is fully automatic, live connection among graphical interface, widgets and application variables. The next one is CEF Python. Here CEF stands for Chromium Embedded Framework, which is suitable for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. Python bindings for the CEF framework. CEF is based on Google Chromium and focuses on facilitating embedded browser use cases in third-party applications. With CEF, we can create a lightweight native shell application that hosts a user interface developed primarily using web technologies. The next one is DABO. The target platform is WX Python. Here, DABO is a three-tier cross-platform application development framework. This was written in Python atop the WX Python GUI toolkit. The next one is DRPy suitable for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Raspberry Pi 4 platforms. This is a fast and powerful graphical user interface toolkit for Python with minimal dependencies. As its core, it is a Python implementation of Dear IAM GUI. The next one is FLET, F-L-E-T, suitable for Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, Android, and iOS. It is an easy to learn Python framework for building real-time web, mobile and desktop applications with a beautiful Flutter user interface. The next one is form layout. The suitable platform is Qt. Here Qt is a cross-platform application framework, a tiny Python module for creating form dialogues or widgets to edit various type of parameters with having to write any GUI code. The next package is GUI2Py, suitable for WX Python, means WX widgets, both a framework and visual tools, GUI designer, inspector and property editor. The next package is GUI data, also supported for Qt. It is based on the Qt library. GUI data is a Python library generating graphical user interfaces for easy dataset editing and display. Then GUI at TA, which is also suitable for Qt, a Qt wrapper that makes it extremely easy to create simple graphical user interfaces. The next one is GOOEY. The target platform is WX Python, which converts most org parse based CLI command line interface programs into WX Python GUI programs with a single import and decorator. The next package is GUI 0, suitable for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Tkinter based. Here, GUI 0 is a Python 3 library for creating simple graphical user interfaces. The aim of this package is to make the process of creating simple GUIs quick, accessible, and understandable for new learners. The next package is Iron Python, suitable for .NET or Mono platforms. This is mainly for Python with .NET platforms. Then Jython is the next package suitable for Java. Here Jython is an implementation of Python seamlessly integrated with the Java platform. The next package is Kiwi, suitable for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS platforms. This is a open GLES2. Here, open GL stands for Graphics Library, ES stands for Embedded Systems. So here, open GLES2, Accelerated Framework for creating innovative user interfaces. We have a native multi-touch support for every platform, mouse simulator, widgets, multi-touch ready, integrated virtual keyboard, RST renderer. Then libavg, the next package, suitable for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, not strictly a GUI toolkit, but a high-level multimedia framework that allows construction of media-rich GUIs. Then PyFLTK is the next package suitable for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Raspberry Pi OS, perhaps C++ FLTK. Here FLTK stands for Fast Light Toolkit, suitable for Python 3 and above versions, which is a fast and easy to learn object-oriented programming extensible widgets, provides access to OpenGL features. The next one, PyForms, suitable for Qt and OpenGL. Here, a Python framework to develop GUI application, which promotes modular software design and code reusability with minimal effort. Next one is Pygame, mainly suitable for Pygame platform. Pygame is a set of Python modules designed for making multimedia applications like games, which are built on top of the SDL library, which stands for Simple Direct Media Layer. The next package is Pyglet, GLET, suitable for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms. Here, PyGLET is a cross-platform windowing and multimedia library for Python for developing games and other visually rich applications. The next package is Pygo. That means PyGObject. This is related to GTK platform. Here, PyGObject is a Python package which provides bindings for GObject-based libraries such as GTK, GStreamer, WebKit GTK, GLibrary, GIO, and many more. Here, G is the Genome Software Platform Group. Here G stands for. The next one is PyQt. The target platform is Qt, which is a Python 3 bindings for the Qt application framework. Then next package is PyCiter, which is suitable for Windows, Mac OS, Linux via Citer. Python bindings for the Citer, which is a embeddable HTML or CSS or JavaScript engine. Then PySide is the next package. The target platform is Qt. Here Qt for Python, formally it is known as PySide, which offers the official Python bindings for the Qt cross-platform application and user interface framework. The next one is PySimple GUI. The target platforms are packages Tkinter, Qt, WXPython, Browser, Win, Mac, Linux, Py, PyDroid 3, Tkinter, Replit, etc. These are all the supported platforms or packages. Mainly, it wraps Tkinter, Qt, which is a PySide 2, then WXPython and Remy for browser support in a non-object-oriented programming application programming interface. Also build custom GUI layouts in minutes in a few lines of code. and also easy enough for beginners, powerful enough for advanced users. The next package is PyWebView, supports for Coca, Win32, Qt, and GTK. Here, PyWebView is a lightweight cross-platform wrapper around a WebView component that allows us to display HTML content in its own native GUI window. The next package is Toga, suitable for Windows, Mac OS, Linux on GTK based Android and iOS platforms, which is a cross-platform Python native GUI toolkit, which has the native system widgets under development as part of Beware project. This one. The next one is tkinter. So the tkinter package, what we are going to discuss in detail in our upcoming lectures. Here tkinter is the package, its target library is tk, which is a Python's standard GUI library. The next package is traits or traits UI, suitable for Qt or WX on Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating systems. Mainly the traits or traits UI package, which offers the ability to build scalable and cross-platforms GUIs simply by focusing on the model being viewed and offering default widgets for various types of objects. The next package is VTK, supports many platforms. This is mainly the visualization toolkit, VTK stands for, which is a open source software for manipulating and displaying scientific data. It comes with state of the art tools for 3D rendering and a suite of widgets for 3D interaction and extensive 2D plotting capability. The next one is WX Python, suitable for WX widgets, which supports Windows, Unix, Mac OS, supports Python 2.7 and greater than or equal to 3.4 with pip installable, which wraps and extends the WX widgets toolchain. Permissive license, that is a WX Python. These are our cross-platform frameworks. The next category, platform-specific frameworks. Here, the first package is ChacoPy, suitable for Android, which is a plugin for Android Studio standard Gradle build system, which provides simple APIs for calling Python code from Java, Kotlin, and vice versa, and a wide range of third-party Python packages. Then PyObjC, suitable for Mac OS, supports Coca Aqua GUIs on the Mac platforms. The next package is PyMUI, which is suitable for Mark OS, which is a LGPL, that is GNU Lesser General Public License. Magic User Interface wrapper for Python. Supports for Mark OS 2 and above from the Python 2.7. Mark OS is an Amiga OS like computer operating system. Then next one is PyWin32, suitable for Windows. Previously it is called Win32 All, also known by the names of its components, or Python Win for the user interface, Win32 COM for COM or ActiveX, then Win32 for some other parts of the API. Then coming to the last category, GUI tools and IDEs. The first one is Abstra library, which is a GUI application builder for Python. The next one, Anvil GUI builder, which is a free online drag and drop GUI builder for full stack web applications, all in Python, with built-in freemium hosting for applications. The next one, the Eric Python IDE, is a full-featured Python editor and IDE written in Python. It is based on the cross-platform Qt UI toolkit, integrating the highly flexible Scintilla editor control. The next one is Glade, is a rapid application development tool, that is RAD, to enable quick and easy development of user interfaces for the GTK toolkit and Genome desktop environment. Then Komodo IDE is now free as part of the active state platform. Then next one is Nodebox, which is a cross-platform node-based GUI for efficient data visualizations and generative design. The next one, Paze. Paze is a cross-platform drag and drop GUI generator bearing a resemblance to Visual Basic. It allows one to easily create Python GUI windows containing a selection of TK and TTK widgets. Then next one is PyGUBU, which is a GPL tkinter GUI builder, exports XML.UI files, and RAD tool inspired by Glade. The next one is PyScripter, which is MIT open source IDE developed using Python and Delphi. The next one, WX Form Builder, which is a GPL cross-platform YCYG GUI builder. This is which produces XRC or XML or WX widgets or C++ or WX Python with Python. The next one is WX Glade, again MIT license. WX Glade is a GUI designer written in Python with the popular GUI toolkit WX Python, which helps us to create WX widgets with WX Python user interfaces. Yeah, that's all about introduction about GUI programming in Python. For more videos, you can follow my channel. You can stay tuned for the next upcoming video. We will discuss complete package tkinter. Till then, stay tuned for latest updates.